Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert crypto on Robinhood. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Robinhood wallet and tap on the swap option from the home screen. This will bring up a list of cryptocurrencies. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to swap, for example Ethereum, USDT, USDC, or any other available option. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert from on the left side and the cryptocurrency you want to receive on the right side. After selecting both, enter the amount you want to convert and tap on the Review button. Robinhood will then show you the exact amount of cryptocurrency you will receive after the conversion. Once you've reviewed the details, simply tap on the Swap or Convert option, and your cryptocurrency will be successfully converted within Robinhood. And that's it. So that's basically how you can convert crypto on Robinhood. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.